Start by going to the GL, General Ledger, module. Click on Cash Book Entry. Then click New to start a new transaction. Select New Payment Voucher. In the Pay to field, enter the name of the person or supplier you're making the payment to. Enter a brief description for the payment purpose. For example, office rent, utilities, or supplier payment. The voucher number and date will be auto-generated by the system, but you can edit them if necessary. Choose the appropriate currency code if it's a foreign currency transaction. Select the payment method such as cash, check, or bank transfer. Choose the correct account number that reflects the payment source. Enter the payment amount. Once all details are correctly filled in, click Save and Preview. This will generate a payment voucher document for your records. You've successfully created a cash payment voucher in AutoCount.